Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to choose products to promote on Digistore24. Now, if you're new to Digistore24, this is basically going to be a tutorial on how to find the best-selling products that are already selling so that you don't have to actually over-promote them, right? So as you can see, the first thing once you log in right here in the Digistore24 is your dashboard. Now from your dashboard, go to the marketplace here. Now as you can see on your marketplace, you can go and see all offers on the affiliate marketplace. So you're probably going to be an affiliate, you're probably going to promote products, so you can go here and click all offers on the affiliate marketplace. Now as you can see on the left side, you will have all the product categories. Now based on what you want to sell, you will go and filter out the product categories. And on the right side, you will see the products itself. As you can see, you will see average order value. You will see that this is a share of the vendor's earning. And you will see that this person is selling this. And as you can see right here, visitors who access the order form and make a purchase, around 20%. That's basically the conversion rate. And then as you can see, percentage of returns and chargebacks are 4.49%. So as you can see, what you can do is you can obviously go and pick whether you want to promote digital products from which category, as you can see right here. So for example, if you want to go and promote digital products in the personal development category, we can click personal development, and then what we can do is we can sort this by popularity. Popularity can be pretty much everything. It's usually how popular the product is, right? Pretty self-explanatory. But it can also be, how well the product is selling. Usually I like to go here and I just go earning sale, or earning sale. This is usually what, is the best for me. But as you can see, again, what you want to do is you want to make sure that visitors who access the order form and make a purchase are more than 5%. That's what I'm looking for. So more than 5%. Again, here it can be that the share of the vendor's earnings is less so that you get more. So that's basically you're getting 30% here, you're getting 10% here. And as you can see, this is pretty much a good deal right here. As you can see, this is new. $46 is usually average order value. As you can see, 39% of people actually purchase this. Obviously the people that are interested in this product. And then as you can see, percentage of returns is really low. So you want the percentage of returns to be really low. You want the visitors who access the order form and make a purchase to be really high. And you want to make sure that you're getting as much as commission as possible, and that the commission is somewhat feasible for you. Maybe $100, $150 would be better right here. But this is a very good product right here that is selling. Even though I wouldn't say it's selling, it's pretty much selling, as you can see right here. So that's basically what you can do. Here you can obviously always sort by popularity, earnings, and sale. And then obviously once you want to promote the product, you click promote now here. And as you can see, you will have a link. That's how easy it is. Once we have this link, once we, for example, paste this link here, we'll be able to see that this is pretty much what we're going to sell. So as you can see, it's very, very simple. That's basically how you can go and choose product to promote on Digistore24. If you have any questions or maybe comments, you can always comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.